Welcome, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you the progress on a renovation project that I'm currently doing in Jamaica. I have uploaded this project some time ago. I think it was sometime last year. Yeah, sometime last year or the year before. Yeah, sometime last year. So I happened to went to Jamaica in August of last year and to check on the work and see how it was done. I was not completely satisfied, but that is for another discussion. So I just went there to observe and to do some cleaning up work. So I'm just showing you what I've done already and what I'm going to do in the future. So if you're watching the video, I want you to watch the video until the end. And if you're a first time viewer, subscribe, like, share. Okay? Thank you.
Yes, so I'm here doing some cleaning up on one of my renovation projects. So this is one of my personal projects. So there's my cousin, my brother, not my really cousin, my brother. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, respect, man. So,
all of the crew.
and there's one of the Rasta brethren.
Yeah.
So let you all know that P Rasta man be power, you know. He's an African, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, you know. P Rasta man be power, you know. He's an African, so I make you know that straight. So who can deal with it? You know what I mean? So he's an African straight. I'm a Jamaican by nationality, African by ancestry. Yeah, so this is the building here. So we add on this front room here. I turned the front room, which was a 10 by 10, to a 14 by 14. So as you can see, the property is heavily bushy. So we are here trying to get down some of these bushes, clear the land. You know what I mean? So we have a lot of cleaning up to do. You know what I mean? So let me take you inside and show you what is going on. So this is the front porch here. Yeah, so this is the veranda here. And then this is the front room. So as I said before, I turned this front room from a 10 by 10 into a 14 by 14. So this is a 14 by 14 room. So yeah. So this is the veranda here, as I said before. So this is going to be the living room. The size of this living room is 15 by 15 feet. 15 by 15 feet. So we have to the right here, we have the bathroom. So we're going to renovate the bathroom too. So this is the bathroom here. And then this is going to be a door to bedroom number 2. So this is one of the rooms here. So this room is 13 feet by 12 feet. That's the dimension of this room. So let me take you now. So this is going to be our kitchen. It's going to be the kitchen area. So we're going to take down that existing concrete countertop and put wooden countertop. So I've also rewired the house. So we put in new wiring. This is an old house that was built sometime, I presume, in the 1980s. Right, so this is another room here. This room is, I think, about 10 feet by 10 feet. Yeah, so this room is 10 feet by 10 feet. And then there's a door that leads to the back. And we have another room here. This room is kind of dark. here. So let me turn on the light here. Right, so this room is another 10 by 10 room. So there's 4 bedrooms, right? There's 4 bedrooms. So let me show you what is going on in the ceiling. So this is the current roof. So this roof is gonna take down completely. I'm gonna completely remove this roof and put a roof deck slab over it. And the front room is going to be roof with a open ceiling. So we're gonna put the tongue and groove and put our 2 by 2 over 2 by 6 and put the finished roofing material. So this front room 14 by 14 is going to roof independently, while the remainder of the building is going to be slab. So this existing roof is going to be taken down and put a concrete slab roof over it. So we're going to run a belt course on top of the wall there, a 6 inches to 8 inches, preferably 6 inches to 8 inches, 6 inches belt course over the entire wall perimeter of the wall, and lift the floor height. Existingly, the floor height is about 8 feet 6 inches, so we're going to lift it 6 inches more, which is going to take it to 9 feet. So let me show you what we did outside. So this building was basically crumbling. It was basically crumbling down. So what we did was because this building was not built with any stiffener columns. So what we have to do, we have to chop the corners out. That's one right there, and put in a eye stiffener here. And we do the same thing here. We chop this out also, chop the wall out, cut it out with the power saw, and put in a eye stiffener here. And at the back we put in an L stiffener right here. I think I'm going to extend the building here. There's an existing foundation here. There's an existing wall, if you can see. This is the blockwork for the wall here. And I've just checked the dimension of this. It is 8 feet by 8 feet. So I think I'm going to put a washroom right here. I'm going to extend this out. And since we're going to deck the roof, I'm going to extend an 8 feet by 8 feet washroom, so that we don't have to put the washroom inside. So this building is an old building. As I said before, it was built by my assumption in the 1980s. I have done an initial video about this already some time ago and put it up on YouTube on my channel. So this is just an update to show you what I've done so far. So put another L stiffener right here, another L stiffener right here, and right along here. Well, this side was good, but I think we are going to chop this wall here, where this wall that divides the kitchen from the living room, and put in a stiffener here, because we're going to deck the roof on top. Right. So that's basically what we have going on here. You know what I mean? I'm doing some cleaning up now. So there again is my brother, doing some cleaning up. Yeah. So yeah. So the area is going to pretty much develop. There is a new building that is being lined out over there. I can see the batter boards just put up. So this project is I'm going to try my best to make it as good as possible. So when I reach the next phase, I'll give you an update as to what is going on. Thank you. And remember to subscribe, share, and like. Maximum respect. Maximum respect, Joseph. Respect. Yeah, man, respect. Alright? Respect.